Hello guys, it's September 8th again, and every September 8th, all physiotherapists all over the world decided to choose a day to talk about a topic or to say celebrate physiotherapy. And as they're celebrating physiotherapy, they are also talking about a topic that is of importance to mankind. This year is no different, but this year we have physiotherapists all over the world have decided to choose to talk about the role of physiotherapy in healthy aging. All of us want to grow old. We even pray to grow old. And you hear some will say, "Oh, that grandma, that grandpa is aging gracefully." We all want to age gracefully. But we play an important role is needed for us to age gracefully. You also hear some who say, I don't think I want to go to 90. I don't think I want to go to 100. I don't want to be 120. When they see the challenges that older people face. But do you know that you can actually prevent aging with all kinds of illness? You can actually age healthily. It is possible. It is the way we use our body while we are younger that will help us to be able to age healthily. Yes, our posture, our activity, our body movement, our diet play a very important role while we are younger. But first of all, let's define at what age do we consider someone to be elderly? United Nations define 60 years plus. Anyone that is above 60 years, that is 60 years and above, can be tagged as being an elderly person. At this time, individuals have different kind of issues they deal with. They start having poor memory, they start walking slowly, they start having insomnia, and so many other things. All these things does not mean that life has come to an end. That is where physiotherapy comes in. That is where physiotherapy play an important role. They start having different kind of body pains and muscle aches. They start having inability to eat properly the way they used to eat before. But do not despair. Physiotherapy play a major role in helping elderly to be able to maintain their standard of living. Yes, physiotherapy, the area of physiotherapy that deals with management of elderly or taking care of the elderly is referred to as geriatrics. Yes, geriatrics. So I'll be talking about five ways where physiotherapy play an important role in taking care of the elderly. The role that physiotherapy play in taking care of the elderly ones is by helping them to maintain mobility and independence. Yes, as they grow older, they tend to be more dependent on people, especially while walking, while moving around, while eating, or some other things. Now, physiotherapy wants to help them to be able to maintain independence. Also, physiotherapy also play an important role in prevention of fall. Fall, it's an important part that we do not want to happen in elderly people because this can actually cause fracture and other complications that will make living difficult for elderly ones. Physiotherapy also play an important role in helping in managing chronic sicknesses, chronic ailments like Parkinson's, like dementia, like stroke, and many other ailments that elderly ones may be battling with, rheumatism, arthritis, so many diseases that elderly ones are battling with. Physiotherapists help in taking care of such illnesses. Number 4 way where physiotherapy is of importance is that they help in pain relief. One major thing that elderly ones battle with is muscle aches, muscle pain. They deal with a lot of muscle aches. So physiotherapists help in relieving muscle aches. Another important aspect of physiotherapy, number 5, physiotherapy help patients, elderly ones,